Good morning, ma'am. I am Rishika Bansal and I am making mango Dalgona Milkshake. For this, first we will peel and cut the mangoes. Now our mangoes are cutted. Now we will take them in a big pan, long pan, and make puree of it. Now for making the puree, we will add just a little milk and blend it. Now our puree is ready. Now we will take some high fat cream, add sugar to it and whisk it. Now our cream is whipped. Now we will mix our puree with the cream. Now our mango puree is mixed well with the cream. Now we will take 2 glasses and add some ice cubes in them. Now we will add the milk in them. We have to fill the glass 3/4. And now we will add our cream on the top. Now we will add some pieces of kesar for decoration. And some mango chunks.